I found this super cute niche the other day while I was doing some research, and I came across this specific content. It's a program that I recently purchased, and I was like, you know what? Let me give this a shot. Let me see what this is all about. And what I found was pretty shocking and very interesting. It's a very cute niche. And not only that, the program that I bought has literally a done for you template. It's a Canva template. You upload the right pages that are designed by ChatGPT, and all you have to do is plug it in to that template. I mean, I had never seen something like this before. And if you're interested, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down below, but let me go ahead and show you what this actually is, because I thought it was like, whoa, we need to jump on this right now, especially with the holidays right around the corner. Let's dive in. So the niche is Kawaii Town, and this is a super bundle that I bought. And right here, as you can see, there are tons of free resources that are provided inside. What I thought was pretty cool are these Kawaii, it's a 65 Kawaii Town prompts. These are the prompts that you have to put on ChatGPT so that it can actually build the book for you, the pages for your coloring book. And look at this, Kawaii Town keywords. Everything is provided for you so that you can succeed. And one of the things that I really liked about this is that the program actually also brings like step-by-step videos on what you have to do first, how you do each part of the book creation process, which I really like, because usually a lot of programs that I have bought in the past, they provide you with, let's say, for example, it's a generator, and they only provide you with a generator. You have to go and do all the work. For example, find the keywords. What are going to be the prompts that you're going to plug onto ChatGPT to come up with these coloring pages? You have to go and find that out and do the research. But in this type of bundle, especially if you're really serious about publishing on Amazon KDP and you want to go ahead and start testing what works, what doesn't work, I find this program extremely helpful, especially if you are a beginner and you really want to get your feet wet with all this Amazon KDP stuff. What you're looking at right now is just me. It's just a front cover of a book for this type of niche. It's the Kawaii Town coloring book niche, and Kawaii stands for cute. And this is just something that I did just because I wanted to try it out and see if it was that simple. I went onto ChatGPT, I went ahead and put a prompt, and this is what came up. And I was like, man, I'm really intrigued as to what I can do with this type of coloring book. But let me show you something. This is the template that's provided to you. I'm just going to go ahead and skim through it. As you can see, all you have to do is plug in the coloring pages that you want for this book. Personalize each title. If you see there's a name your town here, all you have to do is personalize it to your specific coloring book. And guess what? You can publish your book right away. Like, it's that simple. This is actually me. I copied and pasted one of the prompts. I went onto ChatGPT, and this is exactly what ChatGPT generated, which I was very pleasantly surprised. Like, I was extremely surprised. Now, all that's left for me to do is to go ahead and add the town name, and that you can do on ChatGPT and see what type of names you can give these towns, these Kawaii towns. So I think this is pretty neat. I mean, if you want to go ahead and jump on this, go ahead and click on my link down below, and you can go ahead and start creating this type of book. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put a comment down below. I love to hear from you guys. Before I end this video, I want to go ahead and use ChatGPT and copy and paste one of the prompts that I have from this bundle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I have my prompts here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this prompt right here. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm clicking enter. And guess what? It is a no-brainer. What I would actually do, I would actually maybe even personalize this prompt even further, depending on what you want your coloring book to look like. I just think it would add that extra personalization. But look, guys, this is amazing. I'm going to go ahead and download this image onto my computer. This is what ChatGPT came up with. And let me go ahead and go back to the actual template. And let's go ahead and just click on this page number 5. Now I'm going to upload the image that I got from ChatGPT. Okay, guys, this is the image. And here we have it. OMG. Guys, it doesn't get easier than this. And then I'm going to go ahead and here is the Kawaii wedding scene in a town park that you requested. Okay. What can we name the Kawaii wedding scene in a town park from the request above? Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Love and Bloom, a Kawaii park wedding. Okay, Love and Bloom. I like that. So we're going to go ahead and just click here. Let's see. Love in Bloom. You can go ahead and personalize this and really make it unique and make it your own. So I think this is pretty cool. I can't believe that I almost forgot to mention that this program also brings you this done for you book cover for your paperback coloring book. And if you want me to go ahead and explore other different topics, other different niches, go ahead and put them on the comments down below. I love to explore niches and create videos for you guys on how you can bring those ideas and niches to life. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. God bless.